Most people assume that starting a YouTube channel requires a massive upfront investment in high-end cameras, studio microphones, and complex editing suites. That assumption traps aspiring creators in a cycle of over-researching gear. You end up spending weeks scrolling through reviews, trying to assemble a flawless setup without ever actually recording a single frame of video. The reality is much simpler. You can launch a channel today using the exact devices you already own. All you actually need is a standard smartphone or a laptop, an internet connection, and the personal notebook you already use to write things down. My own channel reached 42 subscribers and over 5,000 views using this exact zero-investment approach. These numbers aren't the result of a high-end setup. They are the result of simply being active and sharing information. Time spent mapping out perfect equipment gives you zero return. Publishing imperfect early videos is what builds actual audience leverage. Step 1 is to locate the notes you are already taking. Whether you are studying React, web development, or any other skill, grab the physical notebook or digital document where you track your progress. Stop viewing these scribbles as private study material. These incomplete thoughts are the foundation for your public videos. To turn those notes into something you can present, we use Google NotebookLM. It operates as a free computational engine that organizes your scattered ideas for you. Feed your raw study material directly into the platform to create your knowledge base. The AI analyzes your unorganized bullet points, arranging them into a logical flow. Next, you give the platform a specific prompt. Ask the AI to explain the topic you've provided as if it were a simple, engaging video script. What you get back is a conversational document with a clear beginning, middle, and end, requiring absolutely no manual editing on your part. By letting the AI handle the formatting, you eliminate the friction of writing. You get to rely entirely on the knowledge you've already acquired. With your script ready, ignore all third-party recording software. Open the default camera application that came pre-installed on your phone or laptop. Your physical recording setup costs nothing. Prop your device against a coffee mug or a stack of books to keep it steady. Now, hit record. Sit in front of the lens and speak naturally through the script you just generated. Your delivery will probably be awkward at first, and the lighting won't look professional. That is fine. Capturing the information and getting comfortable on camera is far more valuable than achieving visual perfection. Once the video is recorded, you enter the packaging phase. This is often where creators freeze up, overthinking titles, tags, and thumbnails until they decide not to publish at all. To bypass this, open ChatGPT. Prompt the AI with your video topic and ask it to generate 3 thumbnail concepts, a full video description, and a list of SEO tags. Take one of those generated thumbnail concepts and recreate it roughly using the native default photo editor right there on your phone. Automating the metadata this way removes the final administrative hurdle. There are no excuses left to prevent you from hitting the publish button. The efficiency of an AI-assisted workflow shifts your focus from technical troubleshooting to content output. This allows a rigorous target, producing 2 videos per day. The system handles the logistical load. By moving straight from recording to packaging, you complete the cycle twice daily. At the end of week 1, your output hits 14 published videos, a truly active library. At this stage, volume is a more effective teacher than refinement. Each of these 14 videos provides a data point on what your audience responds to and where you need to improve your delivery. You've taken a static, private page of study notes and converted it into a live video asset accessible to anyone online. This straightforward, $0 methodology is the exact process that brought in my first 42 loyal subscribers. This chart shows the direct result of refusing to wait for better equipment. The trajectory moves steadily up from 0, climbing past 5,000 views, driven entirely by consistent uploads. Compare the creator who used this $0 method to publish 14 videos against the person who spent the same week watching camera comparisons. Every imperfect upload adds to your momentum, slowly accumulating speed and mass as long as you keep producing. Grab your phone. Open up your notebook. Hit record right now. Starting today is the only actual prerequisite for growing a channel.